Hey everyone, this is a quick tutorial on tutor.com. Step one, the student should log into the Schoology and select the class in which they need help. Once they're in the class, they're going to look on the left side of the screen and click on the tutor.com button. It's best to do these sessions with headphones, or else you'll get an echoing sound. Step three, the student fills out all fields on this window and attaches work as a file if they have one, and then they click Connect Now. I want to point out on this page, on this window, in the top right, they can change from English to various languages that are common in Fairfax County, like Mandarin, Chinese, Vietnamese, Spanish. Okay. In the topic section, they're going to choose their topic. So, like for example, if it's math, they choose math, and then in the subject, that's when they choose between algebra, pre-algebra, geometry, etc. They choose their grade. I recommend chat and voice. That allows the student to chat by typing and to talk with the tutor. You can enter your question in the big field, the big white field at the bottom, or you can attach a file so that the tutor can see the entire homework assignment. And then you click Connect Now. There should be a prompt that asks, do you want to do chat only or chat and video after this? I would definitely suggest chat and video. Then it's going to come to a loading screen. And then it pops up and then your session starts, and you need to first adjust your audio settings. You click on this blue link here. This is just in Spanish, but it'll also be in English for English speakers. And if your computer asks you to allow the microphone, the student should click allow. And after that, they can talk, they can draw on the whiteboard, and they can text in the text box with the tutor. So there's three different ways that the student can communicate with the tutor. I think it's great because they can both draw on the whiteboard at the same time. Step six, the student will be prompted to take a survey and share how they liked the tutoring service. And step seven, after the survey, the student can have a transcript or a screencast video of the session sent to them.